Alright, now if you're an Android phone user, you'll be excited to know that Google has pushed out a brand new update to Google Messaging application, which adds a very important feature which we have been waiting for. Without wasting any time, let me go ahead and show you this. Let's open Google Messaging application. I have already opened a chat here. And here, if you want to forward this message or act on this specific message, when you press and hold on it, you will get these options right on top. To copy it, delete the message, mark it as important, and you will have to tap on this three-dot button to share it, forward it, or view details. Now, this is not easy to handle the application in one hand. You will have to reach all the way to the top right corner to do that. So you'll have to use the other hand to execute these actions on the Google Messaging application. But now this has changed. Google has pushed out a brand new update and it is rolling out in phases. Let me show you that. Let's open the Google Messages on this phone here. It's already updated this particular version. Let me open a chat here. Now let me press and hold on this message to see those actions. Let me do it in one single hand. Look at that. We've got all those options on a pop-up menu now. Forward, copy, star, delete, select mode, info. All these options are right here and we can execute these actions in one single hand, which is a big change. Let me show you this on the previous version here. I'll press and hold on this one here and this one simultaneously. Look at that. The options are right on top here. And here it's very handy. It's available right here at the bottom, which is fantastic. Now we also have an additional option here that is select more. Now here on the top, if I tap on this three-dot button, we do not have that select more option. Even if I have multiple messages here, I can directly select it by selecting each messages. But here we have got select more option. You can see one message is selected. If I had more messages, I can just select it by checking those circles there. So that's another option. So basically, Google is working on usability of these features. They have already added some customization features. We now have chat themes on Google Messages. We've got live location sharing. And recently, they have also added this feature where you can customize these shortcuts here. You can just press and hold on them to move them around. I recently discussed about this feature, which is now available on Google Messages. So a lot of changes happening on Google Messages. It has now become more like WhatsApp and a few other chatting applications, getting new features almost every week or every couple of weeks. Now, for those of you who want to know the version number, this is the latest version that I have on my phone. It's 202.60807. Actually, it's the same version that I have on this phone as well, but for some reason that feature is not showing up on One UI 9 beta version where we have the Google Messages. But on One UI 8.5 stable version, the pop-up action menu is showing up on Google Messages, and this is rolling out in phases. So you'll have to wait for it. In case if you haven't received it yet, you'll have to wait for it. You will be getting it very soon. That's all I have here. Hope you have already downloaded our Volverse wallpaper application. There are some beautiful collections added recently. We have got both premium and free wallpapers, and we also have video wallpapers and collections, desktop wallpapers, etc. So do go ahead, check it out. The link is in the description. And while you're at it, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.